Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I wanted to do a tutorial with one of Viseart's newest Theory palettes. It is the Absinthe palette. It has a lot of green shades in it, I'm sure as you can tell from my eyes. So if you want to see the tutorial on this eye look, then just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to take my Morphe E22 and I'm going to dip into this cream shade right there just to make sure everything on my eyes is completely set. And I'm going to take this up to my brow bone just so everything blends out nice and evenly later on. Next I'm going to take my tapered Morphe brush and I'm going to dip into the matte brown shade in this palette right here. And I'm going to put this in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the two shimmer shades I'm using on my lid, but first I'm going to wet my Morphe G14 with some MAC Fix Plus, just to make sure I don't get any fallout since I already did the rest of my makeup. So first I'm going to dip into the lighter middle shimmer green in there. And I'm going to put this on the inner third of my eye. Alright, and then for the rest of the 2/3 of my lid, I'm going to go in with this shimmery green right there. And this is going to just pack on to there. Alright, next I'm going to go back in with that tapered Morphe brush I used. And I'm going to dip into this really deep forest green shade. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner. Blend into my crease and then onto the lid just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take my Morphe E18 and I'm going to dip into the brown shade and sweep this under there. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some liner. I'm going to use my NYX Matte Liquid liner for my lid, and then for my bottom waterline I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs gel highlighter in the shade Black. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and everything else, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now the rest of my makeup is done. I just want to add some inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go in with the light shimmer shade right there using my Morphe E36 and just highlight my inner corners. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!